We are just a few minutes until the opening bell on this Friday morning. We still continue to digest what's going on earnings-wise for so many companies. Let's talk about Intel, shall we, Brian Sozzi? The company coming out with a forecast, even as it came out with first quarter sales and earnings that seem to beat estimates, but as always, the focus seems to be on the forecast here. Second quarter profit going to be 70 cents. That's short of estimates. Revenue is going to be $18 billion short of estimates. As I said, they beat last quarter. Gross margin in the current quarter going to be 51%. At the same time, Saz, the company's sticking to its full year forecast. Got a lot of questions about how they're going to do that if the second quarter is not going to be up to snuff.
Well, I think some of those questions are being reflected in Intel stock in the pre-market here, Julie, under pressure. Gross profit margins down 570 basis points in this quarter. That is just not good. Operating margins down. Conference call, I would say, if I had to give the tone on the grade on the tone on the conference call, was maybe a C+. And by that, you really get a sense of this business. They're investing a lot of money. Of course, CEO Pat Gelsinger, billions of dollars to turn this company around, make chips for other companies, and that is coming at a cost to the near-term fundamentals of the business. By and large, I look at this Intel quarter, and you have to think another strong quarter for AMD in the enterprise business is likely to be coming very soon.
Yeah, I mean, if you look at the various businesses during the quarter, data center division was up 22%. Client computing fell short of estimates, was down 13%. That includes PCs. So that reflecting the sort of broader environment for PCs. And one of the other common themes that we haven't talked as much about this morning is the sort of pandemic hangover that continues for so many companies. That's reflected in something like PCs as well, which saw a big cycle during the pandemic and now is seeing a little bit of a decrease. So that's what we're looking at.